Chapati mayai is one of those recipes that, gives you the chance to use your leftovers. If you're like me and you hate making breakfast, oh God, I hate making breakfast. I cannot stress that enough. And you just want something that will take you a few minutes, to prepare, then this is one of those recipes you definitely want to try. Hi everyone, this is Shaima here with yet another recipe, and today we are going to prepare chapati mayai. And all you're going to need is 1 leftover chapati, 2 red chilies, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, half an onion chopped, and finally 2 eggs. No tomatoes, no bell peppers. This is just how I enjoy making my chapati mayai. So I've just added oil into the pan. You can also use ghee or butter. Into this, I'm going to add my onions. If you have spring onions, you can use those ones, and do not brown onions at this stage, and at the end of the video I'm going to tell you why. So I've just added my chilies. If you don't like chilies, they're optional, you can always leave them out. And I'm going to add salt to my eggs, give them a good mix, and add the eggs into the pan. So do not allow the eggs to dry completely, because we want to make sure that when we place our chapati on top, the eggs and the chapati are going to stick together. So once you're done, just leave it, let the heat do its magic. After 2 minutes, it's time to turn. So we're going to turn this over. Oops, yeah. And that's it. So as you can see, our onions are nicely browned. So you can imagine if you had browned them before, all you could have ended up with is these black things that are so bitter every time you take a bite. So it's time to roll our chapati mayai, and it's ready to serve. So I'm just going to place this, and just going to cut, just to cut through and reveal the layers. Yeah, and as you can see, that's exactly how it looks. I personally enjoy having this with my onion salad. It's just heaven on earth. And you can always have it with any salad you have, of your choice. Or you can even have it with chai or coffee, whatever you want. So if you really enjoy this recipe, please share this recipe with your friends, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell down below, and until next time, let's cook, eat, and enjoy.